Hey, it's like not even 6:30 in the morning. I'm just gonna show you how I do my makeup, because I do the cat eye thing and I guess I do a good job. And there's some friends I have want to know how I do it, so if you want to know, just if you're doing it in the morning, make sure you get all the crusties out of your eyes. I'm so tired. This is bullcrap. I forgot I even go to school. Ugh. So I've got this stuff. This one's broken, but it's Femme Couture Get Flawless Skin Tone Corrector. It's for under your eyes, because I have really bad circles under my eyes. My eyes are gross. But like I said, this is broken, so if I just go like this, it pops out. So jam it back in there and just... I need to see, thank you very much. And all my stuff, it's like any cover-up I have or corrector, it's the whitest I can get. I don't know if this under eye stuff comes in any other color. I think it's just yellow. Works for me, but I don't know if people who actually have like non-vampire skin need darker or what. This is really hard because this is reversed. Oh my god. Yeah, so I just do the under eye stuff and I move, rub it so it blends a little and and then it looks like I actually sleep. And then I can't see. Here's my cap. And then for above my eyes, I use this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I don't even wear eyeshadow, but it makes your eyes look really pretty. Like, it smooths everything out. I just keep it in the box because it's pretty. Get it out. It comes in this pretty little bottle. I just take a little out of my finger and just put it on my lid and a little above it. It's very nice. Oh, there's something on my finger. Okay. And it comes out this nice little skin color. Oh, you can't see. Just a little blob of stuff. I just gotta keep my mouse moving so I can see. Where's my mouse? There it is. Oh, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. You just do your eyelid, you can do like the corner and then come up above it a little, and it makes it so you can't see like these weird spidery veins. And it brightens up your eye. That's the wrong side. Like, this is really hard to do because I'm looking in the little YouTube recorder thinger and it's backwards, so I'm not even thinking about myself and I'm using the thing to touch the inside of my eye, I touch the outside. It's ridiculous. And there, now you can't see all my weird veins around my eye. It looks nicer in person. Or maybe you can tell a little bit that maybe if I get in the light you can see a difference in my eyes. But it's just what I do. And I gotta do the other eye. I just did my right eye through my left. Everything's all backwards, so I just almost redid my right eye. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. If I make weird faces, forgive me. I always make weird faces for everything if I concentrate. And I talk too much. Just blend it all and just do whatever. I don't even need to look, I just gotta rub it. Until it feels like not so slippery. I think I might have put too much on this eye, but oh well, just blend it around. Oh, my nose. Just blend it around. Wipe off the excess on the chair. So, oh, not my pants. This is like white. I don't want it on my black pants. And I'll put that in the box later. I won't bore you with that. And then comes eyeliner. I use liquid. This is Maybelline Master Duo. This thing is perfect. I've got, you know, black, obviously. So my eyes look all gorgeous. Make sure you shake it up good. And then you go to town. I want to open up my big camera on my laptop. This should keep recording. Is it? Please tell me it is. It might not even let me access the camera. Nope, it won't. Okay. That's fine. This is so small. So then first you go in. Oh my god, I can't see. Oh god. This is so backwards. Okay. Take it. I'm gonna take so it goes thin. Start at the corner of my eye. Make my point. Oh god. This is not good. Okay. I'm gonna wipe that off. Oh, poop. Well, it's alright. I'm probably gonna end up having eyeliner on that part of my eye anyways. But I'll be back with like a mirror or something. Oh, I can't see. I don't have my glasses on. That's nice. Okay. So the only thing that I can pick up and move that has a mirror in it is this. It's a little box with a dinky mirror on it, but it'll work. Hey! Hey! I can actually see myself in the right direction. Okay, so I'm gonna... Oh, that rain. Okay. I'm gonna put this here, and then if I don't know what I'm gonna do. I do not recommend doing your makeup with a laptop camera while recording on YouTube. It sucks. Maybe if I... oh my god, this is hard. Okay, maybe if I take this out and then lay this down, maybe I can... Hey, this might work. So... maybe if I like stop and show you each step, that should work. Yeah. So like I was trying to do, you just kind of start from the corner and pull out to make a nice point. Actually, that turned into a nice point. If I just follow that, that should be good. Like you make your little point. Oh, it looks the same. It just looks weird in this camera. Okay. And then you go to the middle of your eye and you pull out to your point so that it's like empty. It's gonna look funny for a while. And then you go to the corner of your eye and you... oh god, oops. Oh, I actually didn't mess up. Okay, not bad. And then you go to your corner of your eye and you bring it up and then you fill it all in so you don't have this weird Egyptian thing. This eye's gonna look bad because I messed up. Ugh. Oh well, it's just school. I don't give a crap. And then, so it is messed up a little, especially right on the top. I wonder if I could even fix that. Just kind of, ooh, fixed it a little. It's a little curved at the bottom. Just kind of, oops. I can fix that. Just kind of dirt. Yeah, see, the thing I like about liquid eyeliner, if you just kind of rub it, it'll just kind of flake off, sort of. And you can fix it, like, right away. You can see there's a big difference in my eyes. It makes my eye look smaller, I don't care. It's good enough. So that side's done. I don't do the bottom because it'll just make my eye look even smaller, and this makes my eye look really cool and bright. You can see, like, it looks weird because I only have one eye done. So that's just kind of how I do that. And I'll run the step by step for my left eye too, just because I'm nice. Oh, now the box is gonna get money. I gotta flip the box around. Ooh, don't hit any keys. Okay. I have to switch hands and tuck this behind my ear. Ow, ow, ow. There. Ow! Okay, I got it. Well, I came out a little wonky with my left hand, but looks matching. Fresh piercing. So far, we're looking good. It hurts. It feels weird, actually. Let's see. Now you just kind of, oh, they really don't match. This eye actually looks nicer. This is also a common problem with cat eyes, that a lot of times they don't match. Well, maybe I just take the bottom off of this little. Yeah, like, my makeup, it usually takes me, like, not even, like, 2 minutes to do. I'm so fast at it, but this is hard. I'm already almost to 15 minutes. I'm so sorry. This is taking me way longer than usual. I'm gonna put on my glasses and see how it looks, because it's so difficult. Just see if it passed my standards. Dang it, stop doing that. I might flip this one up a little more. Maybe if I actually thought about it and didn't just look into the YouTube camera, I wouldn't. Oh, God. Once it dries, it's a bitch, though. It's a bitch to fix. Fuck. Rip that off? Oh no, not down my face. Urgh. That sucks too. Hate that. Oh, fucking fingers. If I wipe off some of my I'm not having a good morning. Oh my god, I have to leave in 20 minutes. Bad idea, Sam. Almost done, so. Who needs makeup remover when you have spit? I don't know, I usually do my makeup with like a full body mirror. I just sit on the floor and just boop, and it's done. But this is impossible. This should be fine. I'm tired of fiddling with my eyeliner. Dang it. Okay, I think now I've got it. Sorry, I just... Okay. Eyeliner's done. I'm not moving. I'm not touching it. Now, then you finish it with some mascara. I just use whatever is working best for me at the moment. I don't need this little mirror. This is Rimmel London Scandalized Show Off Mascara. I can't even say Rimmel London. Well, I guess I said it that time, but I think it's the first time I said it with a little accent. So it's like this weird brush. I need to learn how to do my eyebrows. These are awful. This is the thing you just sort of eyeball, you know, get your eyelashes the way you want them. I do need the mirror. I lied. Pretty good, actually. It's a weird angle my laptop's at. I can't see how my eyelashes are doing. I just want to get a little on the outside. And then the other side. For some reason, my left eye always turns out nicer when it comes to mascara. Let me check this real quick. Oh, I have mascara all up here. I always do that. Every time. One thing I love about wearing glasses is that if your makeup doesn't match on either side, or if you mess up a little bit, nobody can notice. So then I just correct that. Here, I'm just gonna... Then I'm gonna... Whoop. All my hair up from behind my ears. Glasses back on. Crown back on. Adjust. There we go. So I look way better now with my eyes done. And you know, that's how I do cat eye. I'll maybe sometime I'll like when I fully redo this, I'll redo it on my laptop webcam because I actually can do it pretty good on that, and then just upload it there instead of doing the direct upload like this, because like the little square is just dinky and it's backwards. So I don't like it. I don't like it. So, well, I have school to go attend, so have fun doing cat eye, eyeliner, and all that good stuff.